Hello there, I hope you're well. Not sure if you've seen the previous video I did where I tested out a range of toilet cleaners for their acidity level and their ability to move limescale. All of these make claims about being able to dissolve limescale, so I thought I'd test them out. Now in the previous one, it appeared that some more diluted products actually had a better effect, and this didn't seem to do much at all, I should say, and this I think was a little bit sketchy too. So what I thought was, maybe I haven't done these products justice, some of these products justice, and maybe they need to be activated with water. So I thought the only way to do this is to do another test and dilute each of the products with some water and see if that actually makes any difference. So what I'm going to do today is I've got some 100ml beakers here. I'm going to put 30 mils of product in each beaker, and then I'm going to top that up to 80 mils. Just to give it a good sort of like mix with water, swirl it around, we'll do some universal indicator paper tests again, and then we'll pop some chalk in, put it on time lapse and leave it for 30 minutes while it works and see what the results are this time round. Okay, so let's get stuck in. So first of all, I'm going to add 30 mils to each container. Right, because I was looking at that at a bit of an angle, there's actually about 40 mils in there, which doesn't make any odds, because I'm just going to now add 40 mils of water to each one. So to take it up to 80 mils. So it's a 50-50 mix. I'm just going to add a little bit more pink stuff to that one, because I did slightly overfill that with water, so just in the interest of fairness, just add a little drop more of that. Right, now just to give these a mix. Right, so let's do some universal indicator paper tests, and I will do this one right because everybody said in the last video I should have placed them next to each one, and that was quite correct. Okay, so that one's gone a little bit red, not much. That one's gone very red. That one, pink stuff, not very red at all. The Domestos, very red, and so has the Harpic. The Harpic, the Domestos, and the Morrison's limescale remover, it's just like a generic supermarket brand. You would expect those to be the better ones for dissolving the chalk. Okay, this is what universal indicator paper does, and it's the difference between this and litmus paper. Litmus paper tells you whether it's an acid or an alkali, but what universal indicator paper does is it gives you the pH range. So I think you can see here that the Harpic and the Domestos are in the 1-2 area, as is the generic supermarket brand. The pink stuff is showing us something like a 6, which is pretty much on borderline neutral, and the toilet duck is probably a 5. Right, now we'll add a piece of chalk to each one, and then I'll set the camera on time lapse and we'll see what happens. These two have started reacting straight away. I don't know whether you noticed that. Anyway, let's put this on time lapse. Right, so 30 minutes has passed. Let's have a look and see what the results are. I think it is quite obvious from this one that it has been quite effective in breaking that down. This is very soft and gooey on the inside, a bit like me. The Domestos, similar to the Harpic. Quite a lot of breakdown on there. Pink stuff. Whilst I did see a few bubbles rise to the surface, as you can see it's actually the same result as last time. It does look as though it's a little bit softer, but you wouldn't exactly say that that's a good outcome, I don't think. I mean, when you look how cloudy these have gone, and these are still, I don't know whether you can see that, but you can see the bubbles rising to the surface as this breaks it down. Whereas this, not much at all. This one's gone cloudy as well, which means this is kind of working. Not quite as effective as these two. And then the toilet duck. It's gone a little bit cloudy. It's one of those things, I'd say it's better than that, but I wouldn't say it's great. Okay, I feel as though I've done this a bit more justice now and actually tested them all out the same way with a dilution of water in the same kind of dilution, a 50-50 mix. They would actually get diluted even more when you put them in the toilet bowl, and they're still effective. These two are clearly the best product. With this one, I'd say a close second, third, and that one for me, the pink stuff, completely out of the running. Anyway, I hope you found this useful. If you have, please give the video a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. It's entirely up to you. If you like what I'm doing on the channel, by all means hit that subscribe notification and the bell, and it just means when you open YouTube, if I've uploaded another video, you get a little notification. Thank you so much for watching. You take care of yourself. Cheerio.